Let's warm up for the Vinyasa. Just simple. Raise your arm up. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Inhale. Exhale. Rotate your shoulder. Inhale up. Exhale back. Two more times. Inhale up. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Reverse. Inhale up. Perfect. Exhale. Front. Up. Inhale. Exhale 2. Up. Inhale. Exhale 3. Up. Inhale. Exhale 4. Up. Inhale. Exhale 5. Relax. Just rotate your wrist. Again, anti-clockwise. Relax. Be at the front of the mat. Just foot together, Samasthiti. Look at front. Raise your arm up to the sky. Inhale. Look up your hand. Exhale. Drop your hands down on the ground. Bend your knees. Your right leg back. Your left leg back to the downward facing dog. Look at my side. Look at my heels. Just release the stress of the ankle. Make some warm up. Good warm up. Open your hamstring muscle. Press your shoulders. Lengthen your spine from the lumbar region. Great. Alright. Go to the plank pose. Look front. Hip up. Drop your knee. Very easy option. Try. Not to touch the chest. But if you cannot, drop your chest. To the upward facing dog or cobra pose. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Try. If you cannot touch the heel, you may open your legs a bit. Simple. Breathing out. 3, 2, and 1. Left foot forward in the center of your hands. Your back foot flat, like mine. Be sure your knee and heel is in one line. So bring your foot more forward. Go to the side warrior pose. Bring your right arm back and the left arm straight. Stay here. Fold your knee. Look at here in this front hand. 6, 5, focus on the breath. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your head on the ground and arm behind the ear. You may take the block. You can take the block like this and arm behind the ear. Super. Do as much your body allows you. Stay. 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center, to the side warrior. Place your hands at the back on your knee and reverse warrior pose. Arm behind the ear. Knee more front. Say 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your hands on the ground. Step back to the downward facing dog. Breathing out the stretch. Press your shoulders and feel the stretch, deep stretch in the lumbar region. 5. Great. Plank pose. Look front. Go for Chaturanga if you can, or drop your body. Go for cobra or upwards facing dog. Inhale. Downwards facing dog. Breathing out. Take a right step forward in the center of your hands. Back foot flat. Move for the side warrior pose. The same form we have to do. Look to the right hand. Great. Breathe in out. 6. Breathe in, breathe out. 5. Great job. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You may take the block, drop your hand on the ground, left arm behind the ear. Point your face up to the sky. Try to look to the roof side. Breathe in out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to the same pose, side warrior pose. Your left hand at the back side, hold your knee, on your calf muscle, arm behind the ear, point your face to the roof side, push your front knee to the more front, look up to the roof. 6. Breathe out. 5. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. Come back, hands on the ground, step back to the downward facing dog. Breathe in out 3 times. 2, 1. Plank posture. Go for Chaturanga or drop your body. Go for Cobra or upwards facing dog. Look up. Downwards facing dog. Good job. Drop your knees on the ground. Lightly, hip up. Bring your left knee close to the left elbow. Fold your elbows. Look front. Fold your right knee. Stay here. 6. Awesome. Smiling expression. 5, 4, 3, 2, and return back to the downward facing dog. You can move your ankles up and down. Touch your hip. Relax your lumbar region. Relax your shoulders. Plank posture. Look front. Chaturanga or drop your body. Cobra pose or upwards facing dog. To the downward facing dog. Breathe in out. Two more. Breathe in out. Last one. Inhale, exhale. Super. Just what you do, drop your knees on the ground. Okay. Bring your right knee to the right elbow. Bend your elbows, look front if you can, or down, or fold your left knee. Simple position, basic pose. Stay. 6. Bring out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move to the downward facing dog. 2 more breaths. Last one breath. Alright. Fold your knees like mine and jump forward. Fold your knees like me. Little more. Look front. Chair pose. Stay here. 6. Breathe out. 5. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Standing up and lie down on your back. Place your both hands under your hip. Your back of the neck is on the ground, foot together. Your right foot very little up, close to the left toe. And left foot foot near to the right. Together. Stretch your foot, stretch your toe at the front side. Like this. Stay here. 6. Back of the neck is on the ground. Deep inhale, exhale 5. Breathing out 4. Breathing out 3, 2, and 1. Pavanmuktasana, hug your knees. Tightly hug your knees. Nose in the center of your knees. Give the pressure of the thighs, quadriceps against the ab muscles. Stay for 6. 5 breaths more. 4, 3, 2. Relax. Fold your knees on the ground. Foot on the ground. Arms over the head. Foot together, knees together if you can. Lift your hip up as much you can. Stay here. Try to lift your hip more up. Knees together if you can. Concentrate, deep inhalation, exhalation. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Come back and Savasana. Hands at the side of the thighs. Close your eyes. Concentrate on the breathe in, breathe out.